Welcome to SupremeIntel's DIY credit repair tips and letter templates. Hey there! Are you ready to take control of your credit score? If you've been struggling to improve your credit, I've got something just for you. Introducing SupremeIntel's DIY credit repair ebook. This isn't just any ordinary guide. This ebook comes packed with 11 powerful letter templates tailored for all your credit situations. Whether you're dealing with errors, late payments, or just looking to boost your score, we've got you covered. Imagine improving your credit score by 40 to 100 points. That's right, this ebook will empower you with the tools you need to make it happen. And here's the best part, we're including a special bonus template designed to ensure your success in improving your credit score within 30 to 60 days, or even less. Why wait? This is the only book you'll ever need to repair your credit. The process is completely free once you purchase the ebook. Just think of all the doors that can open for you with a better credit score. Ready to get started? It's just $28. Send your payment via CASHAPP to $SupremeIntelLLC, and don't forget to include your email to receive your ebook today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take charge of your financial future. Your credit score is waiting for you to improve it, so act now and watch the transformation happen. Let's get you started on your journey to better credit today.